Alright, how's it going, YouTube? Got the Arrma Granite and the Traxxas Stampede out. So when I went out to New York to my sister's house, my nephew had the Granite. He got it a little while back, and he broke one of the steering rods. I went ahead and replaced it for him. So before, I don't know, the next time I'll go back out there, well, probably about a week or two. So until then, we'll be bashing it and getting some fun in with it. So right now, my son's gonna be on the Stampede. I did go ahead and put this RPM front bumper on there. Let y'all see that. So my son's gonna be on the Stampede. I'm gonna be on the Granite. They both on 2S. This is a 3S system, but unfortunately, they got Dean plugs in here. Let me show y'all. It's Dean's. As y'all know, I run bullets, so for me to run this on 3S, what I'm gonna have to do is change the connectors to bullets. So which I might do. That way I can run 3S as well on it and try it out. So anyway, let's go ahead and set these rigs up and get back to it. Oh, also, we got a course out with some cones, 3 cones. So we're gonna race around the cones, hit the jump, and figure it out. All right, you two, I'm on the Granite, son's on the Stampede. So we got a cone set up there. We're gonna go around that, come down, void the water, at least try. Go around that cone if y'all can see that. Check the jump. And then come around this cone. We're gonna do 1 lap just so we could get used to the cars. So on your mark, get set, go. Oh. Oh. Oh, I flipped. I kissed. He might got me this one, y'all. Yeah, I think he got me that one. He got me that one. Alright. I only got 1 battery on the 2S. So we're gonna get another run there. Until I change the Deans, then I could run it with my batteries. But this the battery it came with. Anyway, y'all ready? Set, go. Stay in control now. Oh, ooh. Spun out, you got me again. You got me. Car jump nice though, and they got control. I like that. Oh, that's you. Ooh, look who comes in for the win. The little rig run nice. I mean, I gotta get hit. Control of it, turn on the steering. I'm oversteering. But she running nice. And that's her 2S, and she got a 3S system in there, so. Alright, here come the little man. Alright, you two, we came up here so we could see everything, but hopefully he don't lose reception down there. So we right there, and we're gonna start off, come around, and go the same way. 1 lap. Ready? Set, go. Oh, it tangled up. There we go. Ooh. Around the cone. Yeah, that's how you do that. Ooh, nice. Oh, look at him. Check him out. Ooh, Granite. All right, we're going to switch now. My son's on the Granite. I'm on the Stampede. So, ready, set, go. Uh-oh, somebody spun out. We're gonna wait for him on the straightaway. Here we go. Oh, he all over the place. Look. He didn't even mean to do that, y'all. Nice and easy. Look how easy I'm coming through. Now I'm gonna get him up. Yeah, Stampede for that one. Yeah, it sure was. Hopefully I'm getting all that. Alright, line them up, line them up. Alright, you ready? Set, go. Nice and easy. Go wait for him now. Nice and easy. Keep doing that, wow. Yep, you know who took that one. I'm not even at half throttle cruising on them. There we go. Open it up. Ooh. Open it up. You know it's not the car, it's the driver. Oh. All right, YouTube, we're gonna get one more in. So my son's still on the Granite and I'm on the Stampede. So let's see. Ready, set, go. Oh, he tried to take me out. Y'all see that? Oh yeah, nice and easy on him. Nice and easy cover. Oh yeah, nice and easy. Go ahead, I'll wait on you. All right, y'all, we back. We gotta continue. Oh, look, we're gonna wait for him. I don't wanna do him too bad now. Yeah, that's it. Oh yeah, there we go. Woo! Oh, had to get out the way. Alright, let's do 2 laps, he said. Ready, set, go. There you go. Oh, I'm all over watching them. On 2 laps, y'all. Going on him. He all over the place. Oh, look at him. He can't keep it together. Comes the Stampede. Oh, hit the cone. Stampede. You did that like 5 on the Granite now, and my son's on the Stampede, so we're gonna go ahead and get it in. 2 laps. Ready, set, go. Crash. Oh, you got me on that one. Oh, don't do me like that. Come on, Granny. Come on, Granny. Get him there, get in there. Get in there, Granny. Get in there, Granny. Yeah. Oh, too much on the. Oh, that's what I got me. You got me. Oh, he shit, didn't even go around the thing. Uh-oh, we got him. On the last lap, we got him. Ah, he took me out. He got that one, y'all. It was a good race. So let's get some bashing in there. I'm gonna get some jumping in with this. Just wanna see how it drive. Well, I already see how it drive. I wanna see how it jump, man. Let me turn the steering back up. All right. Supposed to do. Good job. Get off the big jump though, because I'm gonna jump that and you want it. Oh. Alright, let's straighten this out. It's wobbler. like this little truck, man. Look good. I lift up the wheelie bar. Watch out, my man. You're standing right with a car gonna land. Gonna come right up there. Nice. Jump smooth. I don't know what the punch is on or anything like that. Jump smooth though. Not bad. Can't wait to try it on 3S though. I missed that whole jump. Try to send it one time. Does have a lot of bounce in it. Yeah, I could put some thicker oil, slow down that bounce. Send it one more time. She's running though for 2S. And it look like it's geared right. Don't got too much, too less, just right. Sorry, Mom. We're gonna do a little quick race. So we're gonna race him around the cone and come back. First one to come back. You ready? Set, go. Oh, got him. Got him already. Look at him. Oh, I spun out. Oh. Here we go.
Dead or something.
Watch out now. Ah, I went in the water. No. It's granite though. Granite is nice. Rip up. Ooh. Oh.
Wait, is that waterproof?
We're gonna find out. Wide open. Try. Alright, we're in low voltage cutoff. Low voltage cutoff. Alright guys, so that was fun. Had a good run with the Stampede and the Arrma Granite. Hopefully more to come. Well, it's that in there got a 6200 milliamp. This came with a 4000, so that still got more to go. And it was a fun bashing this rig though. It's a nice rig for my nephew. Well, actually, to tell the truth, he got a real car now, so he don't really too care about this. So probably give it to my sis or my younger nephew. We'll see what happens. Anyway, it was a fun rig. I'm definitely gonna get it out on 3S, so stay tuned for that, and we'll see what happens.